Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where we break down the best gear for your gaming and productivity setups. Today, we're taking a closer look at a classic reborn, the GTX 750 Ti 4GB GDDR5 Graphics Card, updated with 4 HDMI ports, dual slot design, and modern tweaks that make it surprisingly relevant in 2025. Yes, we're talking about the legendary GTX 750 Ti, originally launched back in 2014, but this version comes with some enhancements that make it a great option for budget-conscious builders or multi-monitor workstations. Let us get into the specs. 4GB of GDDR5 VRAM, 128-bit memory interface, PCIe bus powered, no external power connector required. Core clock around 1020 MHz, boostable to 1085 MHz. And most notably, 4 HDMI ports, perfect for multitasking or digital signage applications. The 4GB VRAM makes a huge difference over the original 2GB models. It allows for smoother multitasking and can handle modern light gaming much better. Titles like CS:GO, League of Legends, Valorant, Minecraft, and even GTA run at 1080p with playable frame rates. You 1TB maxing out textures, but for casual or indie gaming, it gets the job done. One of the biggest strengths of this GPU is its power efficiency. Since it's fully powered through the PCIe slot, no external 6-pin required, it's ideal for upgrading older desktops, home theater PCs, office setups with multiple monitors, digital signage or kiosks. And let us talk monitor support. This version comes with 4 HDMI ports, something you rarely see on a budget GPU. That makes it perfect for day traders or coders who use multiple screens, teachers and professionals setting up extended displays, simple video wall applications. In terms of form factor, it's a dual slot card, meaning it takes up a little more space but still fits in most standard ATX or micro ATX cases with ease. Passive and active cooling designs keep it quiet while running cool under basic workloads. Now obviously, this isn't a card for AAA gaming or content creation. But if you're building a retro gaming rig, upgrading an older Dell or HP tower, looking for a cheap multi-display solution, it's hard to beat the value of a GTX 750 Ti 4GB with 4 HDMI ports. To wrap it up, here's why this GPU might be your next sleeper pick. 4GB GDDR5 memory is solid for light 1080p tasks. 4 HDMI outputs for serious multitasking. No power connector needed, great for older or OEM systems. Quiet, cool, and compact dual slot design. Still supported by many modern operating systems. If you're in the market for a reliable, budget-friendly GPU for everyday use or a multi-monitor setup, this might just be the surprise hit of the year. Check the Amazon link below to get yours, and if you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications here on Gadgetverse.